My name is Buket Uzunoğlu, Contract Manufacturing Director. I'm representing Abdi İbrahim Turkey's leading pharmaceutical company. Our company is 114 years old, leading with this heritage. It's the leading company for last 24 years, consecutive 24 years, and we are expanding our global footprint with exporting 70 countries and partnering with global companies, more than 35 partners. Operational excellence is the most powerful one, and we continue to invest in Turkey and out of Turkey. We have many investments in our campus in Turkey. We have now biotech, we have now oncology for rare disease, and we are continue to grow out of Turkey in Germany, Italy, England, and now we have GVs in Saudi and Algeria as well. Actually, PHARMAP is a smart event, having opportunity to see the decision makers, the sector leaders, and also our peers to have this one-to-one discussions. That's why it's my third time in PHARMAP. Today, my presentation is more focused on how the standard CMO model from a supplier to a preferred partner, from preferred partner to a strategic partnership evolved. So it was a really great discussion to have the model for communication, solution-oriented mindset. So many aspects have been presented and get a chance to interact with the peers. Actually, we have a huge campus and almost all technologies, the galenic forms can be produced in the technology, and with a capacity of 750 million packs. But in order to keep our up-to-date system, we are investing to the technology for LIMS, SAP S for HANA, many systems in order to have data capturing system to have more efficient solution. Yeah, actually, there are some critical points for me. The first of all is the networking opportunity. So the PHARMAP is a good platform to have this networking activities, plus having good discussion with the peers, benchmarking with the application from Abdi or in other companies. And the third one is, of course, the valuable discussion during the conference and the sessions. This is a very smart event. I really enjoy to be a part. So it's well structured from the preparation till the event and the post-event. Every detail is well prepared or well organized. It's a really good platform for the interaction, B2B interaction and the networking activities. That's why I personally prefer to be a part of PHARMA.